Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be learning how to create a KPI dashboard in Excel using a Cricut dataset as an example. Whether you're an Excel enthusiast or a Cricut fan, this video will teach you how to track key performance indicators, KPIs, to analyze player or team performance. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a professional looking dashboard that showcases important statistics like runs scored, wickets taken, strike rate, and more, all from scratch. So let's get started. What is a KPI dashboard? A KPI dashboard is a visual tool that helps you track and analyze important metrics at a glance. These metrics, or KPIs, are critical indicators that show how well a player or team is performing. In the context of cricket, KPIs could be total runs scored by a batsman, wickets taken by a bowler, batting average, strike rate, bowling economy rate. Step-by-step procedure to create a KPI dashboard. We'll now walk through the process of creating a KPI dashboard using a Cricut dataset step by step. This dataset contains important stats such as player name, matches played, runs scored, wickets taken, strike rate, economy rate. Step 1. Preparing dataset. We have a Cricut dataset ready in Excel. Let's assume we have the sample data for demonstration purposes. This data will serve as the backbone for our KPI dashboard. Ensure that your data is clean and organized, with proper column headers and no missing values. Step 2. Create a pivot table. Now, let's use a pivot table to summarize this data. 1. Highlight your dataset and go to the Insert tab in Excel. 2. Click Pivot Table, and when prompted, select to place the table in a new worksheet. 3. In the Pivot Table Fields panel, drag player name to the rows section. Drag metrics like runs scored, wickets taken, economic rate, and strike rate to the values section. This will create a table that summarizes each player's stats, giving you a clear view of their performance. Step 3. Visualize data with charts. To make your dashboard visually appealing and easy to understand, let's add charts. 1. Bar chart for batting performance. Highlight the runs. Scored data from your pivot table and insert a bar chart. This will show a side-by-side comparison of players and how many runs they've scored. 2. Pie chart for wickets. Taken. Select the wickets. Taken data and insert a pie chart to visually represent which bowlers are taking the most wickets. Third, line chart for strike rate. Over time, if you're tracking performance over multiple matches, you can plot a line chart showing how a player's strike rate changes over time. Use slicers to make charts interactive. Select the pivot table and go to Insert Slicer. You can insert slices for filters like player name or match type, allowing users to explore different data points by selecting specific players or matches. Step 6. Apply conditional formatting. To highlight top performers, let's use conditional formatting. 1. Select the cells that contain runs scored or wickets taken. 2. Go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. Apply rules to highlight high performers, such as making cells with more than 3,000 runs green or cells with over 70 wickets in blue. This makes key stats stand out and adds a professional touch to the dashboard. Step 7. Final touches and formatting. To give your dashboard a polished look, let's add some final touches. 1. Adjust font sizes and colors. Use consistent colors that align with your data. Green for batting stats, red for bowling, etc. 2. Add titles and labels. Give your dashboard a clear title like Cricut KPI Dashboard and label each section clearly. 3. Align charts and tables. Ensure that everything is neatly arranged and aligned to give your dashboard a clean, professional appearance. Once done, your dashboard will be ready to use. Congratulations! You've successfully created a KPI dashboard in Excel using a cricket dataset. Total runs. Scored, players like Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma are clearly top run scorers. This metric is crucial to understand who is contributing the most with the bat. Wickets taken. Jasprit Bumrah and Bhuvneshwar Kumar stand out as key bowlers with 85 and 70 wickets, respectively. Strike rate and economy rate. These two KPIs give us an insight into the efficiency of batsmen and bowlers. For example, Bumrah's economy rate of 4.20 indicates his efficiency in restricting runs while bowling. The slicers allow users to filter data dynamically. For example, if we use a slicer to filter by player name, we could view the specific performance stats and charts for one player at a time. That's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.